Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have two Allure beauty boxes to unbox with you guys. I don't know what months they are. I know one is probably June, one's probably July. I don't know because I recently signed up for the Allure beauty box and I did the year subscription. So let's just jump into here and see what we have. I am far behind on some of my videos for unboxings and things just because I was out of town for a while, and then of course we've moved. So as you can tell, we are in a new room now. So hopefully that video is up on showing you guys like a little behind the scenes tour of the place, because I want to share it with you guys before I destroy it like I've already done. So let's go ahead and start with this. Let's see what we got in here. I'm a little bit excited, but also not really. I don't know. I feel like indifferent, I guess, about it. So I'm going to cut the plastic off of here. We're going to see what all kinds of goodies we got. These are, I think this is $15 a month, but if you sign up for a year, then you get a better deal. In my opinion, it's always better to sign up for a year if you think it's a box that you're going to want to stick with. So what do we have in here? So this is the, I wonder if it tells me the month. Well, let me see. Editor's Picks. Allure. No, it does not tell me the month. So we're just going to go through here. It does have a card, which I'm very much appreciative of, because Ipsy, our last one, did not. That was very disappointing. The first thing I see is from Peach and Lily. This is a brand that I've been wanting to try because I've heard this lady that I watch on YouTube, not a lady, she's a young lady, Meg. I've heard her talking about a lot of Peach and Lily skincare. This is the Glass Skin Refining Serum. I think Ulta had this on sale during like one of their beauty sales that they had, but I didn't get it because I was like, ugh, I don't need it. I don't need any skincare. But now that it's in a box, that makes me very happy. So let's see what this says. It says, if you run, oh wait, we don't want to know all that information. What the heck? This serum has given my stressed skin a complexion and the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. I noticed immediate glow and plumping effects thanks to the hyaluronic acid in its blend. You can buy this at peachandlily.com and you can buy it at Ulta. This is $39, so I'm excited about trying this out. It has it's luminous and translucent. It has peach extract and it's peptide complex. This is 1.35 ounces, so I am very excited about trying this out, to be honest. So here's what it looks like. I think their packaging is very sleek and pretty as well. I like sleek and pretty packaging. I don't know about you guys, but that means a lot to me. The next thing is from OC. This is an ocean cleanser. It's to mineralize and balance. Mineralize your skin. It says it's organic seaweed cleansing gel, removes surface impurities and excessive oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize your skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. Massage onto your damp skin, rinse with warm water, removes makeup, use in the morning and night. It says this is $48. Holy smokes, that's expensive. You can buy this at ocmalibu.com. If you enter the code Allure15 at checkout, you get $15 off of your order of $90 or more. So here's what it looks like. It is a 0.6 fluid ounce. Is that what it says? Yeah, 0.6 fluid ounce. It's not even a full ounce. And this is a cleanser. This cannot be full size. Is this full size? There's no way. Wait. No, the full size is 5.6 ounces. It looks like maybe. Yeah, so this is not a full size. So that's the one thing with Allure is you do not get full sizes. And most of the products, you'll get like a full size here and there, but you don't get full size for everything. And that's why it scared me. I was like, $48 for this for a cleanser? That's crazy. So anyway, that is not a full size. So now I understand. The next thing is from Botanic Beauty. It's a butter lip and cheek balm. It's a lip and cheek balm color. Botanic. Does it say anything about this brand? It says, blush is the unsung hero of my makeup bag. It can make everything better in seconds. That is if you find the right formula. When I apply this Botanic balm to my cheekbones and outwards to my hairline, the vibrant peach warms up my fair skin as I spent the day at the beach without all the UV exposure. I also layered the sheer but buildable formula on my lips. The long-lasting moisturizing oils of apricot, coconut, and grapeseed oil keeps my lips soft and never sticky. This is $16. So let's see what it looks like. It has a little cruelty-free and vegan symbol on the bottom here. It looks like a plain lip balm, I'll be honest. It doesn't look like anything fancy, but it's got a lot of packaging to take off for some reason. Let's see, we need the little cutter. I can never get anything open. Do you guys struggle with packaging as much as I do? I feel like I'm always struggling with packaging. I'm like, oh my gosh, just open. All right. Okay, let's see. Oh, it smells, for some reason, it reminds me of a fair. It reminds me of funnel cake for some reason. I don't know why, but it reminds me of funnel cake. It seems a little bit creamy, but not super creamy. So it's going to be nice for your cheeks. So it's not going to be oily or anything. So there's what it looks like. It does look like a beautiful blush color. Not going to lie. I think that looks like a beautiful blush color. So I'm excited about trying that on my cheeks. Then we have a acne cover patch by Averell. There's 8 clear patches. Patches are what I typically use when I have acne spots. Like I have this little mess going on right now on my side of my face. I put patches on them at nighttime before I go to bed and leave them on overnight, and they really help. So they may not work overnight, but within a couple days they'll start to help. Let's see. This must have just been like a free sample because it doesn't really say anything about this. I think that was just a free sample. Then we have a, oh, this is Sunday Riley. This is the Cream Hydration by Sunday Riley. It's called the Ice. What? This is going to be $65 if you purchase it in a full size, which would be 1.7 ounces. This is not 1.7 ounces. This is 0.3 ounces. If you could bottle glowy, dewy radiance, you'd arrive at this moisturizer from Sunday Riley. So it's a moisturizer. So let's see what it, ooh, it's a real thick moisturizer too. Oh, it smells good. Maybe I'm smelling that perfume. I smell a perfume or something. I have a perfume that I recently put on, and I think it might be that. I don't know. It smells really nice though, in my opinion. It smells nice and clean. Okay, and the last thing in this box is the Charcoal Pore Care mask. So we have a charcoal mask, and charcoal I'm pretty sure is for like oily skin. So I'm probably not going to use this because I do not have oily skin. I have very, very dry skin. But that is everything in the box. I'm very excited about trying the Peach and Lily because that's a brand, like I said, that I haven't really tried anything from. And this glass skin is something that I think was really popular a couple of months ago. So I am very, very excited about that. So let's move on to the next box. Let's see what's inside of here. I don't know. Let's hope it's good. Keep our fingers crossed. Let's see. All right. So inside of here, we have another little book. I wish they would just say the month on it. That would be really, really helpful. I don't know what months they are though, so let's just go through. So the first thing I see is from Skin Inc. This is the Daily Dose of Glow. It's to illuminate and brighten your skin. It says that this has vitamin A to restore your skin's youth appearance, tackle dullness, and combat environmental aggressors which are responsible for accelerating your age. So I'm excited about that because I need something to slow down aging. That would be great. It says after 1 day, you've visibly reduced your skin's radiance. After 2 weeks, your skin looks clear. After 1 month, your hyperpigmentation is visibly improved. And then, after 1 month, your skin appears more luminous. So after 1 month of use, your skin's going to do all that. Count me in because I want to. Oh my gosh. It says, if Dr. Seuss had a skincare line, all the products would resemble the Skincare Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow. I agree. It kind of looks like a Dr. Seuss product because it's got these blue and pink little floating bubbles. I don't know what they are, but it looks really, really cool. It says a clarifying chlorella. I apply a pea-sized amount directly on my forehead and 2 more drops on each cheek. I massage it in and watch the pink and blue encapsulations burst and blend away. With the serum, my usually dry complexion is bouncy. I am really looking forward to that for sure. Then we have something from Allure. This is the resurfacing glycolic unicorn root cleanser. It has amethyst, glycolic acid, and true unicorn root. What is unicorn root? I've never heard of that before, ever. Allure, let's see. Resurfacing glycolic. So this is $12.99. You can buy it at Allure.com. The full size looks like it's 4 ounces. So this is like a 0.67 ounce container of it. The name, you might have been thinking you'll squeeze the reflective tube and get a rainbow glitter gunk. What you'll actually get is the Brand Exfoliating Cleanser. It goes on like a cream, thickening as you rub it in. Then with water, it turns into a foam that cleans without leaving your skin squeaky. And unicorn root, also known as aletus, which may help to brighten your skin. The formula has a dose of glycolic acid too, which will help to brighten your skin. Okay, I'm excited, so I'll try that for sure. I need anything to brighten my skin and make it look more youthful. That's awesome for me. The next thing is from AHC. This is a real eye cream for your face. What? I'm confused. You know that feeling when you've been finally let in on a secret? It's a mix of pride and graduating to the inside a bit. That was my reaction when I first learned of the eye cream that millions of Korean women love. AHC's essential real eye cream for your face is concentrated, creamy, and gentle as a traditional eye cream, but the intention is that you use it to moisturize anywhere on the face. Well, according to Tiffany Hinkle, I'm pretty sure that's her name, she used to say that you can use any kind of face cream on your eyes, so I would think that you could use any kind of eye cream on your face, in my opinion. So I don't know, I'm not that impressed by their inventiveness, but whatever. This is $28.99. You can buy this at Target, so I will definitely give her a shot. Let's see what it looks like. I need the cutter again. I keep putting the cutter down and I keep needing it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I pushed the box inside of itself. Let's see. Here's what it looks like. It's just a silver looking tube, 1.01 fluid ounces. So we'll give her a try, see how it works for all over my face. It's not an eye cream, it's an all over face cream. All right, the next thing is from Arizona. This is a eau de parfum. Ooh, Arizona. Proenza Schuler. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a cute little bottle. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good. It smells really good, actually. It smells very, very floral. Very floral and powdery. So it's got a floral powdery scent. So I like that type of scent. I think that must be a free little sample or something because I don't see it on here. Video. No, I don't see it on here for some reason. So, okay, I'm assuming this just must be like a little free sample of perfume. So I'll take that. I love perfume. I'm a perfume addict. So anytime you can give me a perfume, I'm very happy. The next thing is from Anastasia. This is the clear brow gel. I love this. I use this especially like on days where you think that it's going to be hot outside or you feel like you know you're going to be touching around your eyes a lot, because I find that my eye pencils sometimes can smudge a little bit. So this helps to lock everything into place. The next thing is from Curology. This is the Smooth Sailing Way More Than a Moisturizer. What is this? Smooth Sailing. What is this? I don't know. Do we have the VDL primer? No, I'm missing a VDL primer. So there's supposed to be a VDL primer in here and I don't have that. And the next and last thing is a mask. Did I miss it? I think they messed up. I think that's why I got the perfume. This is the Curology the Moisturizer. You can buy this at Curology.com. It's $19.95. It is a moisturizer that's very simplistic. It has the texture that hovers between whipped cream and Jell-O. What? Whipped cream and Jell-O. I hate Jell-O. I don't know about you guys, but Jell-O is one food that you will never catch me eating unless it's Jell-O pudding, sure, but Jell-O, no. I don't like that. I can see what the person's saying though. This person that reviewed it, he's saying that it's like that. It very much does. It really does simulate those type of textures. So I can understand why he said that. And then the last thing is from Win. This is the Glamour Base. It's a bi-cellulose sheet mask. And this looks like it's $7 and you can buy it at Win Beauty US. If you're feeling dried out or dull, this mask is the perfect little wake-up call. In addition to hyaluronic acid, it has collagen and peptides. So skin is left hydrated, bouncy, and ready for makeup. So I do love sheet masks, so I'm excited about that. So that is everything in my boxes. I don't know if I was super excited about this box or not. I mean, the skin ink thing sounds really cool. The unicorn stuff, that sounds really cool, and I'm excited to try it. And it does kind of look like, was it unicorn stuff? I think it was unicorn stuff. I don't know, but it does look like Dr. Seuss. Looks like something that from Dr. Seuss a little bit. It's got those pink and blue little encapsulated balls. So I'm excited about that. But let me know, what do you think of these 2 boxes? Do you think they're worth $15 each? I feel like I got my money's worth, but not much more than that, I'll be honest with you. Except, no, that's not true. That's not true, because the full-size skincare products, themselves are definitely worth it. So I think it's worth it. Let me know, what do you think? I'd love to hear your opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.